The healthcare industry is moving at a fast pace. An aging population, enrollment expansion, new regulations, and a new economy. Provider contract and network management has evolved in this environment. Member experience, provider engagement, value-based reimbursement are no longer buzzwords. They impact every aspect of your business. But you are an organization with many priorities. You have many departments that may not follow the same systems and processes. Documents may be in physical form. Data are entered manually and processes are error-prone. Communication is a challenge. If done manually, credentialing and configuring of provider information and loading these data into the core solution becomes unmanageable and non-compliant. Retrieving documents in Manhattan for the contracts drawn in Texas becomes a logistical nightmare. The manual process can make communication between different departments and providers a high challenge, especially while negotiating or reviewing contracts or later during provider disputes or inquiries. So, how do you manage the impact to your star ratings? How do you know if you are in compliance? How do you know if your network is adequate? How do you ensure that your employees, your members, and providers are satisfied? It might be time to consider a change. Newgen's Provider Contract and Network Manager is a modular software solution to address all provider contract and network management needs that your organization might be facing. With 3 core modules, Contract Lifecycle Management, Credentialing, and Configuration, Newgen's Provider Contract and Network Manager makes it simple and efficient to retrieve a contract at the press of a button. The system automatically generates alerts so that renewal dates are not missed and process compliance is met. This integrated system is designed to reduce turnaround times by 50% or more. The level of automation can reduce errors and mitigate risks of erroneous data entry. The solution automatically triggers an approval cycle in case of any deviation. By doing so, it ensures proper compliance with regulations both at the state and the federal level. And it can still do more. Newgen's Provider Contract and Network Manager has additional functionality to support the needs of your organization. Search. All departments, whether they be claims, legal, provider operations, clinical service, complaints management, can search archived contracts, amendments, etc. using the search functionality of the solution. Search results show the required document and data in an intuitive way. Reports and dashboard. The solution provides out-of-the-box operational, productivity, compliances, and user performance reports. These reports can be generated manually on an as-needed basis or scheduled in advance and emailed automatically. Mobile access. The system can be accessed from tablets and smartphones to increase the efficiency by making the system available anytime, anywhere. But if you are still worried about star ratings or HIPAA or operational issues with implementing a new technology, we assure you that you should worry no more. Newgen's Provider Contract and Network Manager enables every health plan to securely exchange information within and outside the organization. Operational efficiency is improved by bringing all activities of multiple departments within one workflow system. Turnaround time is decreased by automating multiple activities and auto-prioritizing cases. Exception rates are brought down by applying validation and integrating with systems to facilitate enterprise-wide collaboration. It increases accountability by providing rights-based access at department and user levels. Newgen's Provider Contract and Network Manager allows you to solve any and all the challenges associated with provider contracting and network management. From provider validation to managing negotiations and document workflow, through storage access and retrieval of contracts and associated documents, to ongoing contract management and monitoring, Newgen's Provider Contract and Network Manager does it all.